This is Big B's lasagna. Big B's local steakhouse in Iloilo City, and try their steaks. But this one is sponsored by my sister-in-law. So this is Big B's lasagna. And if out of 10, if you rate it, well, compared to Sbarro, well, same level. A little bit sweeter though, so you have to adjust with the sweetness. Meatiness, the cheesiness, quite good. So this is Big B's lasagna. This is not sponsored anyway, so it's really good. Out of 10, perhaps 8. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Way level up compared to Greenwich lasagna.